Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backup Android phone to your Google Drive or how to save mobile data in the Google Drive. It will be really simple and easy. So first of all, open up your phone settings. Then all you have to do is scroll down. So scroll all the way down and simply tap on this system. Now in system, if you scroll down, you will see this option here, backup to Google Drive. You just have to simply click on it and then you can see backup now. You have to tap on this backup now. Then it will take a little bit time to load and you can select this what you want to backup like photos or videos or other device data. You can see what's included. Then you need to allow access to photos and then as you can see it's backing up now. So you have to wait until the backup is done and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to backup Android phone to Google Drive. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.